So we have a thunderstorm outside with hail, lightning, and rain at times, and thunder at times as well. So we have hail right now and rain. At least I'm pretty sure that's hail because it sounds like it. It looks like a wind outside of the chest. This whenever the thunderstorm starts. The rain, the precipitation, etc. Most normal Florida storm be like. I think this isn't a thunderstorm outlook. This isn't even in a module. Yeah, this looks like something you would get out of a module. Or maybe just getting closer. No, there we go. Saw my hair. That hair is not hail though, that's just rain. Okay, well that's it for now.
Ocean Reef, Florida, about 20 nautical miles. Waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, extending from 20 nautical miles to the territorial waters of Bahamas. Coastal waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, about 20 nautical miles. And waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. Issued at 10:58 a.m. A strong thunderstorm over the waters. The areas affected include coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, excluding the territorial waters of Bahamas. Waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. At 10:58 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm capable of producing winds to around 30 knots. This thunderstorm was located near Sea Ranch Lakes, or near Lauderdale by the Sea. The thunderstorm was nearly stationary. Mariners can expect gusty winds to around 30 knots and locally higher waves. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Rain forecast for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef.
Let's see what this is. Alright, Rick.
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally warning alarm will vary at any given location.
Nice Spanish
variability, normally more noticeable at transmitter, will occur even though you are using a
okay, there you go, 10:53 EAS is there.
Warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME, that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office.
header seemed a bit
Following marine
slower.
locations, coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, about 20 nautical miles, and waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, extending from 20 nautical miles to the territorial waters of Bahamas. Issued at 1:51 a.m. Today, east winds around 10.
Okay. So that was the required weather test on no weather radio state on three NWR stations from the MFL Miami Fort Lauderdale office that I can pull in. Until the next alert, Frederick County WX signing out.